Hey guys, this is Landon here from Young Money Kicks. Finally back with some new pickups. It's been a real long time, and I'm sorry to keep you guys waiting, but finally back with some new stuff. Alright, I got this at Nike Town yesterday in Chicago. You probably know what I got. The release is waiting in line for about an hour. So first off, here we got the Sport Blue 6s. First off, I want to say review coming soon on these. And these are really, really nice. I'm really glad I got to pick these up. Great colorway and a really clean shoe. So that's that. Next I got a Nike SB box. Nike Dunk High Premium SB, retail $120, size 9. Alright, you probably know what these are too. I wanted to cop these as well since I'm getting them Sport Blues. These are the Cali Dunks or SBs, whatever you want to call them. I really like these a lot too. It's kind of a tie between Sport Blues and these. The quality's better on these than the Sport Blues, but I really do like the Sport Blues a little bit better, I think, because it's a cleaner colorway, and I'm not a huge fan of the brown on these. So that was that. It was a good weekend in Chicago, Nike Town. So my sister got the One Direction concert. I got the shoes, so that's about it for today, guys. Thanks.